Welcome back to Speak Japanese in 5 Minutes. I'm your host, Leo, and as always, we have the brilliant Kei Sensei with us. Sensei, konnichiwa!
Konnichiwa, Leo-san. It's great to be here.
Today is episode 10, and we're diving into something super important: etiquette and survival. Or, how do you say that, Sensei?
マナーとサバイバル。
Perfect. So let's start with the most iconic Japanese gesture: bowing. I see it in movies all the time, but I'm afraid I'll do it wrong.
It is a deep part of our culture. The bow is called ozigi.
OGD.
Yes, it's all about showing respect and gratitude. There are many different types of bows for different situations, from a casual nod to a very deep bow of apology.
Okay, that sounds complex. What's a safe bet for a tourist like me?
For beginners, it is very simple. When someone helps you, or when you are thanking someone at a shop, a simple, respectful nod of your head is perfectly fine.
Ah, that's a relief. So I can just nod and say,
ありがとう.
right.
Let's practice. I will say thank you, and everyone listening, just give a polite nod. Ready? ありがとう. Excellent. You are already showing great respect.
Okay, next on my list of etiquette fears: shoes. I know you're supposed to take them off when you go into someone's house. What's the deal with that?
Ah, a very important point. This happens in the entrance area of a home, which has a special name. It's called the yenkan. The genkan is a lowered area right inside the front door. This is where you remove your outdoor shoes before stepping up into the main part of the house.
Right, so it's like a clear boundary between outside and inside.
Exactly. You leave the dirt from the outside in the genkan. The host will usually provide slippers for you to wear inside.
Got it. Never wear outside shoes past the genkan.
You've got it. So let's practice the word for that very important space, yenkan. Very good. Remembering the genkan will make you a very welcome guest.
Okay, moving on. The first time I rode a train in Tokyo, I was shocked at how quiet it was. You could hear a pin drop. Why is that?
In Japan, public transportation is a shared space where consideration for others is the top priority. Making loud noises, and especially talking on your mobile phone, is considered very rude.
So, quiet is the golden rule. What's the Japanese word for quiet?
The word for quiet is shizuka,
Shizuka.
and a polite way to ask someone to be quiet is 静かにしてください. Perfect. Just remember to use your inside voice, or no voice at all on the train.
All right, Sensei. This next one could save me from some awkward situations. Tipping. Do I leave a tip at a restaurant in Japan?
That is a great question. The short answer is no, you do not. In Japan, good service is expected to be part of the price. Leaving extra money can cause confusion, and the staff might chase after you to return it.
Wow, okay. So instead of a tip, is there a polite phrase I should use to show my appreciation after a great meal?
Yes, there is a wonderful phrase. As you leave, you can say it to the staff. It means, thank you for the meal. It was a feast. The phrase is, ごちそうさまでした. Wonderful. They will really appreciate hearing that.
We've covered some major etiquette points today. Sensei, I think it's time for our intensive practice round.
An excellent idea. I will say the Japanese word, leave a space for you to repeat, and we will do this 3 times. Ready, everyone? Round 1. Ozigi. Genkan. Shizuka. ごちそうさまでした. Good. Round 2. Ozigi. Genkan. Shizuka. ごちそうさまでした. Last time. Round 3. Ozigi. Genkan. Shizuka. ごちそうさまでした.
Fantastic job, everyone! A huge thank you to Kei Sensei for these essential survival tips.
My pleasure, Leo-san. Remember, a little respect goes a long way.
Absolutely. And that's all the time we have for today. Next time on episode 11, we're heading back to the streets. We'll learn how to talk about the weather, a classic Japanese conversation starter.
Until then, mata ne!